Okay. So, familiar na ba kayo dun sa iba't ibang taxes na meron tayo? Actually, yung iba't ibang taxes na yun yung pinagkukunan ng kita ng isang, ng BIR para i-distribute among LGUs, among national government. So, meron tayong tinatawag na dalawang klase ng taxes. We have the income tax and yung tinatawag na business tax. So, this time, we are dealing with the business tax. So, yun yung i-discuss natin. So, unang-unang business tax na meron tayo is yung tinatawag na value-added tax. Actually, noon, wala pa yung value-added tax eh. Kaya lang, during that time, it was 2008, sabi ni Ralph Recto, siguro kailangan tayong magkaroon ng pagkakakitaan. Kasi, para tumaas yung economy ng bansa, syempre, kailangan tayong makakuha or kumita or kailangan tayong makakuha ng pagkukunan ng pork barrel na i-distribute sa national government at saka sa local government unit o yung tinatawag na LGU. So, napag-decide nila na i-approve yung tinatawag na value-added tax. So, during that time, it was only 10% value-added tax. So, if you heard the word value-added tax, it means it is an additional tax for the product that either you produce or you buy or you purchase from the supplier, or when you purchase something, kunyari, bibili kayo ng pagkain, ng medicine. So, lahat ng ipinatong nilang tax, ang tawag doon is yung tinatawag na value-added tax. This is computed. This is different from the income tax kasi since ang income tax naman talagang magbabayad tayo niyan. So, kahit wala yung business tax. Pero, ang business tax is an additional tax na kailangan singly ng government parang as part as other kita nila. Okay? So, paano ba kinocompute yung value-added tax na tinatawag? Madali lang naman siya. Meron tayong tinatawag, so dapat alam niyo to. So, meron tayong tinatawag na output tax and the input tax. So, pag sinabing output tax, ito yung tax na ipinataw mo doon sa kita mo. So, that's the output tax. Okay. So, dahil kumita ka, may karapatan ng government na kumuha ng 12% out of dun sa kita mo. Okay. Kaya lang, syempre, may ipambabara ka dun. Kasi kung kukuha sila ng 12%, tapos kumuha sila ng 30% sa income tax ko, ano pang matitira? So, dun papasok yung tinatawag na input tax. Bali, ang gagawin mo, sa benta mo, meron tax kasi batable ka. May value-added tax ka na tawag kasi batable ka. Yung TIN number mo nakalagay, VAT. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo, lahat ng gastos mo, or yung lahat ng pinurchase mo sa supplier, lahat ng pinagbilhan mo, dapat nakatago. Kasi yung nakatago na yan, iyan yung pambara mo para mabawasan yung babayaran mong value-added tax. So, output minus input is equals to value-added tax. So, yun yung natira, ang tawag dun is value-added tax. So, aside from paying the income tax, you are going to pay also the value-added tax from your business. Okay? So, yun. Another thing that we have is yung tinatawag na mga professional tax. So, actually, professional tax is an income tax. Kaya lang, minsan kasi may mga special trabaho na hindi mo akalain na parang naglalaro lang, pero meron palang tax. So, one of those are, for example, the national basketball player, si Pacquiao, bilang isang boksingero. Okay? So, yung kita nila na yon, ang tawag doon is professional tax. So, same as sa kita ng mga accountant, ng CPA, ng mga engineers, yan, mga licensed architect, mga lawyer. So, ang tawag doon sa tax na meron sila is tinatawag na professional tax. Okay? Or professional fee. Then, out of that, kukuha ng 8% para magkaroon ng professional tax. So, during that time na na-approve yung bago nating system when it comes to computation of tax, napaliit siya. Kasi, way back before 2018, kahit nung nagtuturo ko na ng taxation before 2018, ang computation ng tax is 1020. So, ano ba yung 1020? Sabi nila, when the professional earns from 0 up to 720,000, they need to pay at least 10% tax. But, lahat ng sasobra, from 720,000 up, that's the time that you need to compute a certain amount of 20%. So, parang ganito, kung nag-earn ako ng 1 million, yung 720,000 ko, ang basis ko is only 10%. And yung remaining, yung over dun sa 1 million minus 720, which is 280,000, ang basis na nun ngayon ay how much? 20%. So, ganun noon ang computation ng tax. Pero sabi nila, bakit kung binigyan natin ng chance, yung mga employee na bumaba yung tax nila, kung binigyan natin ng chance na mabawasan yung pagbabayad ng tax ng mga sole proprietor and other businesses, why not na bigyan din natin ng chance yung mga professional. So, dito pumasok yung tinatawag na 8% professional tax. So, ibig sabihin, yung kita dati na 1 million na they need to compute at 10 and 20%, you need only to compute an 8%. Kaya lang ang pagkakaiba ganito. So, once na yung earnings mo, sumobra ng 3 million, ang basis mo na ngayon is yung tinatawag natin na withholding tax table. Kasi sa withholding tax table, ang tax natin is from 0 to 32%. So, ano yun? Depende kasi sa kita yan para at least doon makakabawi ang company. So, ibig sabihin pala, so those people or those individual or those professional na kumikita ng more than 3 million, doon nakakabawi ang government. Doon na lumalaki ang computation ng tax. Okay? So, yun sa professional tax. So, ano pa ba yung mga ibang tax na meron na binibigyan concern ng government na dapat alam din natin as a society or as an individual? Another thing is yung tinatawag natin na estate tax. So, alam niyo naman, estate, ibig sabihin, pamana. Once na namatay ang isang individual na merong pamana, bago niya i-distribute yung kanyang pamana, you need to pay the government. Noon, masalimuot din kasi meron tayong tinatawag na 20% computation of taxes after getting the gross estate minus all the deduction. But this time, so even though it's malaki or maliit, as long as nag-over na siya sa 4M or 4 million, you need to pay only 6% tax. 6% lang, diba? So, maliit. So, ibig sabihin, sa ngayon kasi binibigyan din ng chance yung mga pamana na noon hindi sila nakapagpa-record sa BIR na ito yung namana nila. So, para at least alam din naman ng government na patay na pala tong tao na to. So, yung lupa na yon or yung pag-aari na yon, sasakyan na yon or yung business na yon ay iba na ang may-ari. So, yun. Dapat alam din ng government yun kasi may list sila na tinatawag. So, ibig sabihin, kung meron ka palang namana, before i-distribute yun sa tao, you need to pay a 6% tax. So, pinadali. Ganon din yung mga donation. For example, you are a company and you want to donate something from the for example, a certain institution, are you subject to tax? Hindi. Depende naman yun sa kung sino ang pagdodonatan. So, for example, kung si company nag-donate sa isang tahanang walang hagdan. So, not subject to tax yun, guys. Kasi depende yun sa pagbibigyan. So, ang tawag doon is donation expense or a corporate social responsibility of a certain company. Kaya, hindi na siya taxable. But, for the donation itself, you want to donate something kasi mag-aasawa siya. Gusto mo siyang bigyan ng sasakyan. So, before niya ma-receive yung sasakyan, you need to pay another 6% tax. Okay? So, nagregalo ka na nga, di ba? Pero magbabayad ka pa ng tax. Pero in reality, that's the agony and that's the reality. So, nagregalo ka na, but then again, you want to give it to someone as a gift. So, you need to pay something, a 6% tax. And that's tax for the donation. Okay. Ano pa yung pwede nating i-share when it comes to business? Okay. Meron tayong tinatawag na sin tax or excise tax. Ito yung mga kakaibang business na hindi naman siya necessity, but then again, tinatangkilik ng tao and ginagamit siya. For example, gusto mong ma-enhance yung iyong beautiful na ilong o yung lips mo na makapal, gusto mong panipisin. So, that's cosmetic surgery. So, dati kasi libre ang cosmetic surgery, not subject to tax. But ngayon, meron na siyang 5% tax. Okay? And then, another thing, kung bibili ka ng sasakyan, mas mura kung bibili ka ng electric kasi sabi nila, it benefited or it benefits the environment of society or of the human race. Kaya dahil nagbe-benefit siya para ma-enhance yung ating environmental factors, mas maliit yung tax. So may basis yan. So hindi ko na i-discuss kung magkano yung bawat isa, pero at least dapat alam nyo. Okay. So habang lumalaki kung gas-based naman yung company or they need a gasoline para ma-operate yung isang sasakyan, it depends upon kung how much yung nabili niyang sasakyan. So, may basis tayo ng tax yan. May table siya. Pero ang gusto ko lang sa inyo, once na yung ginagamit nyo is electric, almost 50% ng halaga ng binabayad yung tax dito sa gas base, ang ibabayad nyo dito sa electric na electric yung ginagamit niyang basis para mapagalaw yung sasakyan. Actually, sa Makati, marami yan, di ba? Hindi na sila gumagamit ng gas. What they have is to plug it, parang iyaano siya, then pag okay na, pwede na mag-run yung isang vehicle or yung isang sasakyan. Okay. Next is yung tinatawag natin na liquor and cigarette. So, ito yung tinatawag na sin tax. So, dahil hindi nga siya necessity and nakakasama sa tao, kaya nagpataw si government ng mas malaking tax. So, dyan, actually, dati kapag bumili ka ng cigarette, for example, Marlboro, this only 3 pesos. But today, parang nasa 12 siya or 8, ganun. Kasi, almost 100% ang itinaas ng taxes ni cigarette. And then, every year, tumataas pa siya ng tumataas ng 250 cents every year. So, biro mo, 250. So, kung original price niya is 3 pesos, and then, nung dumating na yung 2018, nagbago yung natin ng taxation, 100% nun ay tax. So, nag-double, di ba, yung price? And then, afterwards, every year, nagdadagdag pa siya ng 250 every piece. Hindi every pack, every piece ng So, talagang syntax siya. So, bakit daw nila ginagawa yun? Para at least daw, mapaikli yung buhay ng mapaikli. Kasi sabi nila, hindi naman daw necessity. So, at least kung mahal siya, so parang aayawan na bilihin siya. Pero actually, marami pa rin bumibili. And then, liquor, or yung mga alak, yan, actually, mahal yan. Dati kasi mas maliit yung halaga niya. And other sin tax or not really a necessity for the tao is yung mga juices, yung mga Coke, yan, yung mga soft drinks. Dati, ang halaga niyan, for example, yung Coca-Cola, na halagang 15 pesos ngayon na mismo, it's only 6 pesos, right? Bakit? Kasi kada litro, nagdadagdag sila ng 5 to 10%. So, malaki, 5 pesos to 10 pesos, depende sa kung gaano kalaki yung litro at kung ano yung portion na ibebenta mo. Parang juices, yung mga tang, yan. So, Nesty. So, di ba dahil pulverize siya or powder siya, so, ibig sabihin, hindi siya natural juices. So, they are subject to a certain percent of taxes. So, malaki siya. So, and that's also part of the sin tax or yung tinatawag natin na merong excise tax. So, yun. Bakit ginagawa yun ng government? Kasi ganito, nahirapan kasi si government na iangat ang economy ng Philippines. So, gumawa sila ng paraan. So, why not putting up an additional taxes to the following items? Kasi, ano tinatangkilik pa rin naman ng tao So, dito babawi tayo. Parang ganun. Okay. Another thing na consideration is, if you are a Filipino, syempre, you are subject to a certain amount of tax. And if you want to export your business, and then you need to pay a certain amount of tax. Parang ganito lang yan. Kung Pilipino ka, business mo dito at business abroad, subject to tax. But, if you are a Filipino, pero yung business mo, pero non-resident citizen, ibig sabihin, hindi ka naman dito nakatira, and dun ka nagnenegosyo sa ibang bansa, and nawala ka na dito for almost 181 days pataas, so hindi ka dapat singilin ng gobyerno ng tax. Kasi yung business mo naman, hindi naman Philippines ang makikinabang, other bansa, and doon, subject ka rin naman sa tax nila. So magiging redundant kung magbabayad ka pa rin ng tax dito. Okay. Another thing is, if someone is going here in the Philippines for leisure, so, babawasan mo ba siya ng tax? Sila yung tinatawag na non-resident alien. So, they are not subject to tax, guys. When they buy something, for example, nabawasan sila, nadagdagan sila ng, for example, yung tinatawag nating input tax. So, that's the agony. Natural lang yun kasi nag-purchase sila. Pero, hindi mo sila pwedeng singilin. Kasi actually, bisita sila. Hindi naman sila nagdenegosyo dito. But, ibang klase na if they are a resident alien. Ibig sabihin ng resident alien, they are already here in the Philippines for 181 days or more. And then, they want to go here because they want to have business with the Filipino people. Then, meron silang certain amount of tax. So, depende yan kasi kung saang lugar. Minsan kasi, ang taxes nila is almost the same with us. Kaya lang, kung under sila, restricted sila sa ibang lugar na ang computation ng tax ay iba. So, ganun. Meron tayong basihan kung paano natin itatax yung mga resident alien na nandito sa Philippines. Okay, so I hope na nakatulong this subject, and you need to analyze and you need to understand that particular taxes na na-discuss din naman sa inyo during your second year. And with that, it is one of the decision making that you have when you encounter those taxes in the firm or when you are already in the business. Okay? Bye-bye!